This week, we look at 5 tips to make the most of Twitter. If you tweet, or just Twitter, that's following the random thoughts and observations of others, it's likely you'll come across something that strikes you, and it's likely that you don't have the time to investigate, share, or forward the information then and there. A major side effect of receiving constant floods of real-time information. Come across a tweet that makes you laugh, pinch yourself, or gasp? No time to bookmark, email, or read the entire article it links to? Now you can merely enjoy the moment, which is what Twitter is all about anyway. Snapbird is a website that lets you search your feeds beyond Twitter's own built-in 10-day archive. Just type in who you think tweeted it and any keyword that may have been part of it, and it's likely you'll find what you're looking for. Now, Snapbird doesn't require a login or registration, is fairly quick, and lets you search through the last month's worth of tweets of a particular user based on the keyword you typed.
In the tech world, there are all kinds of switches. PC to Mac, PS3 to Xbox, Facebook to Twitter. Yes, if you're one of those who's given up the sheer omnipresence of Facebook for the subtle infiltration of Twitter, but still want to convey your thoughts to your old network, or if you're one of those who's straddling these two conflicting dimensions of social networking, listen up. There's a very simple way to put all the brainpower you channel into your tweets into your Facebook status updates. Step 1. Go to the Twitter application page on Facebook, where you can sign into Twitter through the app. Side note, accessing Twitter through Facebook will require that your tweets are unprotected, meaning that anyone can follow your tweets without your permission. Once logged in, you'll see a tab saying Allow Twitter to update your Facebook status. Press it. And hey presto, anything you say on Twitter, you say on Facebook. Even better, Facebook's Twitter app lets you choose who exactly gets the Twitter updates. For this, you need to add the Twitter app to your Facebook account and fix the settings there.
Then, of course, there's the world of Twitter on the mobile. This offers a whole new realm of enjoyment, like taking photos on the fly and uploading them with your comments practically in real time. If this kind of real-time, constant, on-the-go information flow is your kind of thing, then a useful Twitter app for your cell phone is an absolute must. If you're a BlackBerry user, Twitterberry is one of the most popular apps to go for. With a simple design perfect for BlackBerry's screen size, one button press will give you a host of convenient functions, including replying and direct messaging. TwitPic, a photo service developed for Twitter, is integrated into Twitterberry, so sharing a photo in a tweet is as simple as taking a picture from the app and uploading it with one click. Minor improvements, like loading your timeline from where you last left off, also make your tweet life a whole lot easier. A very similar app for the iPhone is Twitterrific. Sharing all the plus points we mentioned for Twitterberry, it also has a lineup of the most tweeted topics handy for you to browse. It also lets you search tweets coming from Twitter users nearby using the iPhone's location services. And you can also add your location to your tweets. The iPhone and other hardcore smartphones like Google Android and Windows mobile-based phones have a pretty large choice of the kind of Twitter apps you can use. We suggest you thoroughly explore all the intriguing possibilities. Now, for a phone like the Nokia E71, there's a Twitter app called Gravity, which is not free, unfortunately, but extremely functional.
Now that we've covered some of the basics, you should also know that there's a plethora of sites and tools to let you have some fun with all the tweeting Twitter streams in your life. WhoShouldIFollow.com answers, well, that very question. Based on your Twitter ID, it gives you Twitter users whose content overlaps with yours. TwitDIR.com is a directory similarly answering questions about the world of Twitter users. One of our favorites is TwitterVision.com, which is an aggregation of real-time Google Maps showing where the latest tweets are being posted. The geography of the Twitterverse at your fingertips. TwitterSnooze.com lets you shut up those tweeters for a while who you don't totally want to let go of.
One of our most useful and functional Twitter tools is twerpscan.com. explaining its own function as anti-fool contact management. It lets you keep away from those Twitter users who simply follow everyone. In an unprecedented move, some Japanese hotels near trains are actually advertising their rooms as having a rail view in order to attract potential train spotters. According to the BBC, there are estimated to be some 20,000 railway buffs in Japan, together spending more than $40 million a year on their hobby. Tokyo's Hotel Metz Akabane is one of these hotels, and even have a scheme guaranteeing rooms with a view of the tracks on the 4th floor or above as part of their offer.
In the world of today, our digital histories are almost as important as our oral histories. By that rationale, everyone must have an online identity reflecting our online activities from the past till the present. Personas, an application recently developed at MIT, aggregates your online identity and visualizes your internet persona in a form of a colorful barcode. This is said to be a clear and socially aware reflection of our digital traces. You can enter your name or somebody else's, and the app will put together the persona by categorizing all the web information from a large source of data. One small step for social networking, one gigantic leap towards big brotherhood.